Welcome back. Today we will start our first project of YQArch Plugin. This project we will use shortcuts because we learned all commands. First we will draw our grid lines, then we will make wall of our plan. Type ZXW enter. Insert your grid lines width and breadth distances. OK. Click on the screen to place the grid axis layout. Second, we draw wall by using shortcut of XWW. Just insert the thickness of your wall. Oh, sorry, before making wall, I want to trim some lines because there's no wall in that lines. Type TR to trim that lines. Select the entire axis line, then enter. Also, I will make the lines of toilet. Make offset this line. Just trim unwanted lines. So just we can make the wall XWW. Enter. Choose U thickness of wall. Select the entire axis line, then enter. We done it. These are our rooms. Just we will draw doors. Type AD enter. Choose the door style. Also select the size of your door. Select the width of your door. Also choose mode of placement, left, right, or center to center. Click over the wall. Insert all of your rooms. Oh, sorry, I will delete these doors because these are WC doors. Type EW enter. Select the doors. I will make another doors for toilet and WC. Style. Insert your size. Click this if you want your door at center of wall. You see the door is at center of wall. These are toilets. Next, we draw windows of our plane. Type AW, enter. Choose your style. There are more style of windows. Insert your window width. Click this to make your window at center. Insert all of your room's window. Just I will insert window of toilet. and these windows are smaller than other windows. Type at you enter. Just insert. I will change this style. Lastly, I will insert double doors R2 apartment. Select this. Insert U width that's suitable for double doors. Insert. That's our lesson of today. See you again.